So to create the prediction pipeline, guys, so open the pipeline folder, and inside that just create a file. I'll name it as prediction, or you can name it as predict. Okay, predict.py. So inside that I'm going to create a prediction class. See, I'm importing this TensorFlow. From TensorFlow, I'm importing the load model, because with the help of load model, we'll be loading the model. Okay, the model actually we have trained this model. Then image. From the pre-processing, I'm importing the image. Why I'm importing the image? Because see, user will upload one image, and that image also I need to do some pre-processing. That means here is the pre-processing step. First of all, we'll be loading the image. We'll be converting to the array, because I can't directly pass the raw image. Okay, I have to first of all convert it to the array. Then we'll be expanding the dimension. Then we'll be giving to the model. Okay, so this is the idea. So that's why this image is required. So this is the class prediction pipeline. So it will take the file name. That means user will upload one image. That image actually it will accept, and then it will execute the predict function. So you can see, first of all, it will load the model. It will take the image. This image actually it will pass to the load image function. It will load the image, then convert it to numpy array, expand the dimension, then pass it to the model. Model will give me the results. Okay, and if result is equal to 1, that means it's the healthy image. Okay, otherwise it would be a coccidiosis affected image. Now if you open the data in the Kaggle, you'll see that they have already given you the label. Okay, if it is 1, that means it's a healthy. If prediction is 0, that means it's a coccidiosis affected image. Okay, so this is the simple idea. Now this thing will be creating this thing actually will be writing inside our main file, which is nothing but app.py. So now let's create the our app, user app. So for this we'll be using Flask to create the complete user application.